everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 5th to the 9th of September 2022 on Monday. The cold shoulder rain in the Mokwena house and Nomonde is running out of time on Tuesday. Keith is on the verge of ruining the perfect plan. Zolani handles business and Cobra realizes he must learn to tell the truth on Wednesday. Lindiwe is determined to get back what is hers at all cost. Nomonde gets too comfortable in her lie, while Nkanyiso is in for a surprise on Thursday. Sabotage is the name of the game in the Mokwena home. The Tikaners bring on the drama. Nkanyiso's trust is shaken on Friday. A spanner is thrown into Nomonde's perfect plan just as she's about to be home free. Cobra's lies finally catch up with him while Nkanyiso finds himself faced with having to choose between his freedom and his family. Guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.